Hello my dears, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss the second unit of our English text. It's a poem named Noses and the poem is written by Eileen Fisher. Okay. You must have studied about our sense organs in your previous EVS classes. We have 5 sense organs, mainly eyes, nose, tongue, ear, and skin. The functions of these sense organs are: eyes help us to see. Next, nose. The function of nose is smell. Then the next sense organ is our ears. Ears are for hearing. Next, the function of our tongue is taste things. Okay. Then the last sense organ is our skin, and its function is to touch and to feel the things. Okay, today let us learn the new poem from the second unit, chapter 3, Noses. Moving on the poem Noses, first of all, I will read it out for all of you. Okay, children, when you look at your nose in the mirror, do you find your nose very funny? Yes, we find it very funny because it sticks out from our face. It is very funny. Right? So, let's recite this poem. Let's sing it aloud. Okay. So, the first stanza of poem Noses. Okay. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with 2 little holes where the breathing goes. Okay. So, once again, I am reciting the poem. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with 2 little holes where the breathing goes. Now, here the explanation of this stanza is, in this poem, there is a girl who is looking in the mirror and she finds her nose to be funny because of the way it is growing and becoming bigger in size than earlier. It is also because of the little holes. Do we know what do we call these little holes of our nose? Yes, the holes are called nostrils. These nostrils are used for what? These nostrils are used for breathing. So, here the little girl in the poem looked herself in the mirror and she looked at her nose and she finds that it is very funny because the way it comes out of our face, showing with 2 little holes where air goes in and comes out. Okay, the child looks into the mirror and finds that her nose looks very, very funny. Okay, children, now let's find out the rhyming words from the first stanza. The rhyming words are nose, grows, shows, goes. Okay? Children, now let's find out the answer of this question. Why is a nose important for you? The answer is, the nose is important for us because the 2 little holes help us in breathing. Okay? This is all about today's video. Rest of the portion will be covered in next videos. Okay? Thank you.